Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on, fellas? Good to see everyone in the chat, man. Good to be back on Monday. We missed the morning stream this morning, guys. I was driving back from Boston. Oh, we're back. We're ready to rock and roll. See what happens. See what happens today. See if this freaking pump continues up to the upside, man. Let's see what happens. What's going on, Skillful? What's up, Waterfly? I'm out of the chat for the night. Waterfly did his job for the night, man. What's up, Adroba? What's going on, Sean? Good to see you, man. What's up, Rico? Boston has White Castle. No, man, I'd never have a White Castle again. Never again. That was the worst burger I had ever had. Give me McDubs all day, every day over that. Every single day. What's going on, Jeff? Bumble's got sweaty balls. Steven Jordan left Boston. He's happy about it. Boston sucks, man. Boston sucks. All right? I'll say that. Timer's ticking. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, my guy Dan, what's up? It's good to see Dan after a few days. What's going on, man? Heard a kid running around in the background? Maybe. You guys in a short or long right now? Let me know in the chat if you guys are in a short or a long position. Let me know. I'm in a fat short right now. Fat short. Not a small one, a fat short. Let me know where you guys are in the chat. We'll talk about it today, man. Why is he so mysterious? You gotta keep it mysterious, man. If you let everyone have your secrets, well, then, you know, what do they want to know, you know? Bathwater said no trade open. Yeah, we'll see. No trade. I'm in a very, 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 very long. Well, my hodl stacks are always long. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. There's Clint coming in with the smart comment. You gotta love Clint coming in with the smart comment, man. Let's go, man. What's up, Daniel? Sam, what's going on, man? Been scalping over the weekend? Not me, man. I haven't done any trades this weekend. Put my first trade in today, actually. The moon position. Nice, bro. All right, guys, we'll get started here in a second. We'll talk some long-term charts, and some short-term charts as well. Got some good things maybe happening in the weekly time frame, right? So we'll talk some longer-term stuff as too today, man. All right, we're gonna get started here, guys. Make sure, before we get the intro started, make sure you guys smack up that like button. Let's try to get to 200 likes before we, not before we start the stream, but by the time the intro is done, all right? Let's get it. Savvy, repeat after me. Repeat after me, Savvy. You will never long Bitcoin again. I will never long Bitcoin again. Jabba, repeat after me. I will never long Bitcoin again. I will never long Bitcoin again. Never. I won't do it, I swear. Jabba, do not say anything I don't tell you to say. I didn't tell you to say that last part. Do not say it again, okay? Say, I will never long Bitcoin again. I will never long Bitcoin again. Never. I won't do it. I'll never long Bitcoin again. Oh, my God. Jabba, stop. Say it the right way, man. Say it the right way. I will never long Bitcoin again. I love Savvy. All right, anyways. What's going on, man? What's going on? I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. We missed this morning stream. I was driving back. There was some traffic. You guys know the excuses, right? I mean, there's traffic. We got broken down trains. You guys know the normal excuses. We have a lot of different excuses on this channel. Is why we don't have our normal stream this morning. But we're back on the regular schedule starting today. We'll be back live in the mornings and the nights and everything fun in between starting today. So let's freaking get it. I see everyone laughing in the chat. That's what I like to see. I like to see the positivity. Bitcoin got a little bit of a move up, 31,400. Can we Do we think this is going to continue up? Guys, first of all, let me know in the chat. You guys think Bitcoin's going to continue up from here, or this is going to be another little Bart Simpson back to the downside? Let me know in the chat. You know, we love the Bart Simpson patterns here. Do we think that this is going to turn into a Bart Simpson pattern again, just like it was all the way back here when we had this Bart Simpson that Barted right down to the back to the downside? Do we see another Bart Simpson right here? Let me know in the chat. Let me know if you like Bart Simpson in the chat. All right, let's take this off. So let's get started here. Let's get started. Make sure I'm in the right spot. There we go. All right, let's rock and roll. So what do we have for BTC? Before we get started, make sure you guys smack up the like button. We got to get back in the like button grind. If you enjoy my channel every single time I go live, make sure you smack up that like button. Jordan needs a travel agent. Yes, please. If you want to be my travel agent, let me know. I'll be hiring a travel agent. You can apply on the Discord. I'll be hiring a travel agent, man. It's time to FOMO. I know Jim Bob's coming. It's time to FOMO, man. Don't be this guy. Don't be this guy. Before we get started, remember, don't be this guy just yet, okay? Let's wait for confirmation. But there is some good things that are possibly popping up on the long-term charts that we're going to talk about today. That, you know, it's very simple stuff, but stuff that every time this happens, we actually end up going on at least a relief rally to the upside. So that's what we're going to talk about today. What's going on, Kane? Good to see you, man. All right. Short-term time frame stuff. Let's check it out. You know, there is some stuff on the short term that I'm a little bit iffy about, okay? And this doesn't mean that we can't continue higher here in the short term, but there's a couple things I'm watching here, guys. Couple things I'm watching. So let's stay vigilant. Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. Someone said, F you, Jordan. I gave you a like. Thank you for telling me to F myself. At least you give me a like, all right? All right, so we have a diamond pattern forming here, all right? We guys know that diamond patterns, what do they typically consist of, right? Well, it's typically a reversal pattern. So when you move up and you get a diamond pattern, it's a reversal pattern, which usually means you're coming back down the other way, all right? We had a diamond pattern right here on the 1 hour time frame that we actually had as well, right? We had that move to the upside, right? We had the diamond pattern form right here. It was a perfect diamond pattern. We moved right back down to the downside, right? And why did we move back down to the downside last day? Well, everyone's favorite word. Let's go. You guys are about to all fart on me. Okay? Everyone's favorite word. Well, the vector candles, right? We had vector candles popping up everywhere. Big volume coming in, big moves to the upside, and the whales wanted to move it right back down to the downside. Shout out to all my whales out there. Let me know if you're a whale in the chat. I know Clint's a whale. I know Rodney's a whale. Let me know who else is a whale in the chat. And I don't mean like a whale like Jabba. I mean, I guess nothing wrong with that. But let me know if you're a whale, you know, cash position size, I guess. Let me know. I think Wayne is a whale too. Something tells me Wayne's a whale. All right. Hold on. Let me go over here for a second. Will we see the diamond reversal pattern come back down to the downside? Why I think this is very similar price action is that we've come up to the 800 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. And that's been a moving average where Bitcoin struggle with, right? The 800 on the 1 hour and the 200 on the 4 hour time frame. We cannot get back above that resistance. This huge resistance, all right?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Right? We're not going back down to 10K, but here's the thing, man. We're getting rejected off the 200, off the 800 EMA. Diamond pattern to the downside. We're getting the same thing now, right? The 800 EMA is coming in right here, and we got the diamond reversal pattern coming back, forming here, right? So stay vigilant here. We have vector candles popping up all to the downside, right? The whales pushed it back up. Will they want to bring it back down now? Doesn't mean they have to bring it back down now, but I'm watching this level very, very carefully. I'm currently in a short position right now, all right? For all you traders out there, you guys know I'm a hodler at heart, okay? I trade to add to my hodl stack. I'm in a consistent long-term long that I'm never getting out of, right? I'm never selling that stuff. A majority of it. I might take profits on the way up, but majority of them holding. But short-term, I am in a short position at the moment, right? If I get wrecked, I don't care, right? I'm learning just like you guys are. So if I get wrecked on my short, which I won't because I have stop losses in. But if it gets liquidated, if my stop gets hit, all right, I will let you guys know. I have a stop right above here, the 800 EMA, right? So I think I have a stop at like 31. I think it was like 31.9, just in case it gets a wick back above. But that's that. I'm in a short position at the moment. Don't follow me, all right? You guys do your own thing. You guys doing your own thing, but I want to let you know what I'm doing so that if I'm wrong, you guys can come in and shit on me, right? You guys can come in and be Bob and say this, man, because I want to be open. I don't want to hide from my losses like a lot of these people in the space, all right? I want to be this guy.
Jody just got stopped out. What an idiot. He just shorted the best performing asset of all time. What a freaking idiot. My God, who shorts Bitcoin? Who does that? What are you, an idiot? Clint thinks you're an idiot. Waterfly thinks you're an idiot, and so do I. Okay? All your viewers think you're an idiot, and you are.
Listen, if I lose, it is what it is. It is what it is. Stop will hit before dumping you over. Probably, man. Probably. But I'm feeling relatively confident on this one, Bathwater. I'm feeling relatively confident. If it gets hit, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm following you in shorting. Don't follow what I do, man. This is not, like we always say, it's not financial advice. But I want to be honest with what I'm doing, right? If I get wrecked, I'm not going to hide from it, right? You guys know I'll get wrecked. Which getting wrecked is not really getting wrecked. It's just my stop loss getting hit. All right. So that's that. If we actually go to the 4-hour time frame, actually, let's look at the daily. What I think is interesting here, and we have some hopium things going on, right? We have a little bit of hopium. Let me know if you want hopium in the chat. Let's do a poll real quick. Do you like to inhale hopium? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the poll. I'm doing a poll right now. Do you like to inhale hopium? If you also like to inhale hopium, make sure you hit up that like button, man. If you like to inhale hopium, all right? We have some possible hopium going over to the daily chart here. Before we get back to the 4-hour chart, I want to let you guys know about the hopium. First of all, we have something interesting coming up here. If we actually go over here, we have breaking news. Okay, and I want to bring this up because this could be something that swings the price action this week. We have this is not something that swings the price action this week, but could be regulation coming up for crypto. We'll talk about that in a little bit. But breaking news. This is not really breaking news, but I just saw this now. Nancy Pelosi filed for her purchase of calls of Microsoft and Apple worth at least $1 million, according to Congress Trading. She put these buys in 2 weeks ago. Okay. Someone in Congress, and guys know that they have to publicly share their trades, or their buys and their sells, right? She bought 2 weeks ago. What does she know that we don't? All right? I thought this was very interesting, but what does she know that we do not know? She must know something, man. She must know something. So, I don't trust this lady, okay? I don't trust this lady. I don't trust anyone in the government, but, this lady reminds me of this person. I don't know anything. I'm just going to sit here in my comfy seat. I don't know anything. Yeah. But I don't know. Does that mean that she thinks the stock market's going to go up? Right? Does she think that the stock market's going to go up? Which means that crypto usually follows the stock market. So a little bit of a hint. Right? I think that's really, really telling in my personal opinion. Bathwater said it. She knows that QE will return in Q1 2023. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Let's get it. Let's get this crypto. This will kind of go with what we're talking about here. So Bitcoin looks like it's coming down a little bit here. Nothing crazy. Still looking for this diamond pattern to play out just like it did over here against the 800 EMA on the hourly time frame. But going back to the daily time frame. If Bitcoin does come back down, right? Let's do a hypothetical. Here. If Bitcoin does come back down, there's this support that I'm looking at about 30K, which would be very, very interesting, right? Because if you look at what Bitcoin's kind of forming here, what is this kind of forming here? Right? And this doesn't always have to break to the upside, but it looks like Bitcoin's forming a little bit of an ascending triangle pattern, which usually do break to the upside, right? You guys can see the higher lows coming in. You got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and you got pretty much the same resistance on the top side, right? You got 1 touch here, you got 2 touches here, and we're coming up for a 3rd touch right now. All right? Could this end up being some type of ascending triangle that pushes us back to the upside? Now, I'm not saying we're going to go to 100K.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
All right? And I'm also not saying panic.
Everybody panic. We're going to 0.
Okay? But here's the thing. Clint says she's not making a move because she plans on losing money. Maybe. But here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. If this does end up coming back down to 30K, and I'll show you guys why I might think that's going to happen here. If we come back down, make a higher low again, we get a bounce. All right, maybe look where that was going to end up. It's very interesting. You get the 50 EMA coming back down like this, right? Ever so slowly, ever so slowly, ever so slowly. If this comes back down, then bounces off the support line again, right? You're going to hit that 50 EMA perfectly right there. And that's going to be the decision point, in my opinion. That's going to be the point where Bitcoin has to decide one of two things. Are we going to get back over the 50 EMA in the daily and we're going to go on a little bit of a relief rally? Or are we going to get rejected and come back down and make that second low we've been waiting weeks for, all right? That's going to be the decision point for me. And I think we're going to see a interesting point in the charts. Could take a little bit, right? But I think by the middle of June, right? By the middle of June, I think we're going to see a relatively big move, whether it's one way or the other. Either way, I think we're getting tight. We're getting tighter than Camirand's. Can't say it because I can't say it right now, but it's getting tighter than Camirand's Chuku, okay? I'll say Chuku, all right? Very, 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 all right? I can't say the word, right? So you guys probably know what I mean here. Let's see. What are you guys saying in here? 100 cents tomorrow. Nice. All right, let's continue. So what else got? What else we got? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Why do I think that 30K level is so important? Well, let's go back and look down here, guys. Right? We have this uptrending support line, like we said, on the daily, right? We got one touch, we got two touches, and look what we rid this whole weekend. We talked about this on Friday. Look at this level that we rid up here, right? We got hit, just consistently held the support. Got back over the 50. That was the big move to the upside, all right? Now you got this upward sloping support line coming up right here, all right? Now, if this plays out like it might, right? If we got the Bart Simpson pattern, right? If we got the little Bart Simpson pattern that brings us back to the downside, right? Something like this. We come back. Look at this big vector candle here. We come back down, fill that, right? Bada bing, bada boom. Come back, fill that, right? Come right back to the support, fill that vector candle. Probably get a bounce off the 50 EMA as we're coming back down. Little wick below, and then we get that bounce back to the upside. That's sort of the move that I'm looking for right now. At the moment, I could be wrong, and honestly, it is what it is. I'll tell you guys, I'm relatively more confident in my moves than I was a couple weeks ago. I'll say that. But that's kind of the price action I'm looking for at the moment, man. So we'll see. Let's see. I don't want everyone, panicking we're going to zero, right? And also, I don't want everyone, being like this guy, right?
37, we're going back down. What an idiot. George, I listened to George. George said the fear ingredients is low. I'm going 100x long, right at resistance. Everyone's screaming recovery, right at resistance. George, oh my god, fear ingredients is low? Why am I sniffing? Oh yeah. Oh.
Don't be that guy, all right? Don't be that guy. But, I don't think it's the end of the world yet. And I think we're getting, in my opinion, I believe, all right, I got to change my wording here. I can't be saying I think, all right? I got to trust my gut. If we go over to the weekly time frame, let's actually go quick over to the weekly time frame. All right, first of all, actually, can we do it a quick inauguration, before we go over the weekly time frame, which matches up my thinking, can we do a quick inauguration for our fractal, guys? All right, so everyone have a moment of silence. Can everyone actually, in the chat, please spam the, let me give you guys a good emoji to spam. Can you please spam the crying emoji as we throw the fractal in the trash, right? So please do it. Please, Jordan, you guys gotta chill, man. Chill. It's not Wendy O, okay? It's not Wendy O. You guys are so mean, man. Listen, I can be mean sometimes too, but that is brutal, bro. You gotta chill with that joke, man. You gotta chill with that joke, bro. Can everyone have a crying emoji in the chat? I will do it too, okay? And as we throw the, the fractal in the trash, let's do it, man. Here we go. It was so good to know you, fractal. Okay? None of our fractals ever play out. None of our fractals ever play out, but, you know, you're going into the fractal trash. You know, it was beautiful while it lasted, but, you know, good things don't always last. Good things don't always last. So, you know, it was really nice to know you. We're going back down in there. And that's all I really got to say, man. We're going back down in there.
Just throw it in the trash. Throw it. It sucks. It sucks. It was such hopium anyways. The bull market's over. Bitcoin's going to 6K. Don't you guys watch Savvy? Yes. Yes. Another fractal in the trash. Look at Jordan. You're such an idiot. How many of these fractals didn't play out? What an idiot. Jordan's eating that sock. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta go finish cooking it. I'll see you guys later. See ya.
Thank you, Jabba. All right, fractal trash. See you, man. It was nice to know you. You know, it was nice to know you. But, you know, that's all we can get. That's all we can get. All right, moving on. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Why can I see some hopium? All right, let's go look at Market Cipher B. Now, this is the free edition. I don't care. This is the only thing I look at, okay, on this. All right, is the yellow indicator here. Okay, so basically, you guys know I went back and back tested this. We actually talked about this in March when we actually got the small relief rally in March where we went from like, you know, 37K back up to like 48K. We talked about this and actually kind of worked out, but didn't work out fully. Every time we get the flip back over, right, on Market Cipher here, right here, every time we get this flip back over into positive, Bitcoin tends to go on a little bit of a relief rally, okay? Or it goes on to pump, right? One of the two. If we actually go back and look, right, March 14th, you got that flip over right here in this candle, and it resulted in a pretty good move to the upside, right? That resulted in about a 28% move to the upside, right? We go back and look at, you got that flip over right here in September 2021, resulted from the candle body low, resulted in about a 62% move to the upside. Right, from this move, you got the flip over right here in August of 2020. You got that flip over right here. Resulted in about a 52% move to the upside. We can even go back further. We got a flip over right here. You guys can see right here we flipped over. And that resulted in a little bit move to the upside. About 69% move to the upside. Right? You can even go back. If you guys really want to go back and look, we can go back and look. I mean, at least since 2019, every single time you get that flip over, right, you tend to go on a little bit of relief rally. So this is a little bit of hopium for all you guys wanting a relief rally, you know, whether you want to take profits or, you know, whether you're just looking for some type of positivity in the market and just not red, right? If you guys want some positivity, this might be a little bit of hopium that flips us back because it's starting to flip back over. We haven't got that cross back over yet, okay? We haven't got that cross back over yet, so let's patiently see. But if this week can close green, that might be a little bit of positivity to at least get a move back up maybe to the 30Ks. But we'll talk about that as we go, all right? But just one thing I want to point out there that this it's pretty back tested. You guys can go back even further and look. I just don't want to waste your time. But it's pretty back tested if you guys go back. What's going on, 2W Ice? Good to see you, man. G2G, what's up, man? Good to see you. Jordan, bring up that formicating elephant fractal. The formicating elephant fractal. No, we can't do that, man. We can't do that. Socks go nicely in meatballs? Man. I don't know about that. All right, let's continue on here. So we threw our fractal in the trash. I mean, at the end of the day, if we look at this for BTC, right? If we kind of look at where we're at, it's a couple different things here on the weekly time frame too. Right? A couple different things. Shorting makes red turn green. Facts, man. I'm in a short right now. I am in a Bitcoin short as we speak. As we freaking speak, I'm short in BTC. All right. The other thing here. If we look, we're still holding this relative support, right? We got one touch here. We got two touches here. We got three touches here, right? So we're still holding that support level, right? Where we have three touches. At the end of the day, until we break that, I mean, it's really, we're really just ranging. I mean, you guys know the point. We're really just ranging sideways until we really break this range, all right? Now, I'll continue to say, anytime Bitcoin drops below 30K, I'm accumulating. Okay, the closer it gets to the 200 SMA, I'll make bigger buys. But you know, my point still stands. I'm going to continue the same strategy as we kind of go along here. I'm going to stick to my freaking gut because my gut is awesome. All right? No, but in all seriousness, closer we get to that 200 SMA, that's when we put in the bigger buy orders in. And if we look down here, we haven't talked about this in a while, right? But if you look down here on the weekly RSI, we actually bring this up here like this. We got a little bit of a wedge formation on the weekly RSI. That's dated all the way back since July of 2020, where we had multiple touches on support here, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We just bounced off support here, and we got a downtrend of resistance on the RSI on this as well. So you guys can see here, this could still go lower, right? This could still go lower. I want to continue to say that Bitcoin can always still go lower, which I do think it will. I'll continue to stand by that. Until you guys want to mock me and say, oh, it hasn't gone down lower yet. Patience. Patience, young Padawans. Okay? If you didn't think it was going to go down lower in January, February, and March, right, you would have been wrong. Just because it goes sideways for a while doesn't mean it's not going to go lower. All right? But, this kind of is the same type of thing. You'd still go lower, but I don't think we're going to be going lower for longer, man. I think we're relatively close to the bottom as far as time frame wise. I do not think we're going much lower, man. I don't think we're going much lower, and I don't think it's going to be this extended thing. We're going lower for another 6 months. I just don't see that happening whatsoever, man. All right, but that's sort of what I'm looking at there. Could be due for some type of relief rally if that gets that flip over on market side for me. Bathwater said not much of a reversal. Not yet. I'm not banking on it either, man. All right, let's see. Why the long face? That's brutal, man. Billy said, I have 20 shares left of BNB. Do you think I should just dump it all into BTC? Love to hear your input. Dumping it all into BTC? It's up to you, man. I'm sticking to Bitcoin and ETH at the moment, man. I'm not touching alts. I ain't touching no altcoins at the moment, right? That could bite me in the ass. Altcoins could absolutely go nuts at some point. I still think Bitcoin's going lower, so I am personally not DCAing into altcoins at the current moment. But I am DCAing into Bitcoin and Ethereum, all right? But not altcoins. All right, Bitcoin right now. Still just kind of chilling, right? Not really doing too much. We're watching for this diamond pattern here to play out, and if it did play out, looking for a move at least back down to the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. So let's continue to watch this. I am in a short position at the moment. Short-term short position, right? Long-term, always still hodling, always still adding to that long-term bag, man. Jordan thinks we gonna go up. I wouldn't say that. I think any rally Bitcoin has right now, I think will be short-lived. You know what I'm saying? So take it as that way. Like if Bitcoin doesn't have a rally, or if it does, it's going to be short-lived in my opinion. Let's see. Those hat actions are making me anxious. Oh, lordy. All right, so now we wait. Now, what else we got? S&P. Let's go check out the S&P 500, guys. So S&P also kind of forming something with Bitcoin. It's not. It's the 1 hour time frame on S&P, right? Going into tomorrow, kind of got a little bit of an ascending triangle formation too, right? We know these break to the upside. We're right at resistance on the S&P looking left, right? We had previous support back here. Now trying to flip into resistance. All right, will this break to the upside? These typically do break to the upside, right? Now this is once again, this is basic TA, right? I mean, pattern trading is very, very basic. Some people can make it work, but it's very, very basic. But these usually do break to the upside, right? Higher lows coming in, same resistance on the top side. If that did break to the upside, maybe that can bring Bitcoin up a little bit, right? That would bring us a measure move right up to our next resistance point, which looking left once again is, right, some previous support and previous resistance looking left, right? So we'll continue to watch that. We have vector candles up here looking left. I think the S&P could maybe continue up a little bit higher, and then Bitcoin follow it eventually. This is kind of going into, you can have another couple days of sideways here, which maybe Bitcoin comes back down, and then we get that reversal back up, right? I'm looking at something like this. Bop, bop. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It is what it is. You guys can come and ground me for it. Ground me like my parents, right? Excuse me, Jordan? You told me to get in a short? I just lost 20K because of you, okay? I just followed your trade. You told me to short and Bitcoin just pumped to 40K.
Like, I just lost everything because of you. Okay? Everything. Can I speak to the channel's manager? Who is the channel's manager? Who is it? Who is it? And I want their name, and I want your name too. I want your name, because I know your name's not Jordan. I know it's Chris, okay? I just lost 20K because of you, all right? You guys can come and ground me for it, all right? TA and Gala, please. Papa Chulo. Papi Chulo. You guys know I love Papi Chulo. What's going on, Psycho? Good to see you, man. Thanks for the super chat, brother. You got to kiss Wendy O? No, thanks. I'm good. I'm good on that. I'm good on that one, man. I'm good on that one. I know a lot of you guys like Wendy O, but I'm good. What does the S&P stand for? Oh, Clint, you're too funny, man. Let's see. It's MM Crypto. MM Crypto. Chris Crocker. SEC sues B&B. Who you never know with this crap, man. You never know with this crap. All right. Let's go over here. His name's Clint Cook. He likes older women with beards. All right. Jordan's will impersonating Will Clemente. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't even know what to say for that. All right, what else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What else do we got? You guys got my short-term positions. What else do we got going on here? All right. DXY still trying to hold support here at the 50 EMA. Still trying to hold support, right? At the end of the day, man, I mean, this stuff is stupid. Like, honestly, the dollar tracks the dollar strength against other currencies, right? So here's the thing, man. Like, the dollar can go down if the euro is performing better than the dollar. Listen, like, this is, to me, you can't really predict where this is going to go. Now, right now, it's actually respecting this 50 EMA very well. And it looks like it's just, to me, this looks like it's getting ready for another move to the upside. Could be wrong once again. You know, all of a sudden, a lot of people are switching to this narrative, like, oh, they're going to backtrack on rate hikes now. All of a sudden, everyone's kind of bandwagon behind that same thing, right? Everyone's kind of saying that now, right? But who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? You know the dollar is going down? It's funny, man, because, like, literally 2 weeks ago, this is what everyone was saying, man. 2 weeks ago, this is what everyone was saying. Oh, my God. Everyone's saying the dollar's going up. We're screwed. We're screwed. Oh my God. I'm longing everything. I'm longing the S&P. I'm longing the NASDAQ. I'm longing Bitcoin. Oh, the dollar's going down. The dollar. Oh no, I'm shorting everything. Now, all of a sudden, the dollar comes down a little bit. The dollar comes down about 3%. And now everyone's like this. Oh my God. The Fed is going to backtrack. Oh my God. The Fed. Oh my God, the dollar's going back down now. Oh, it's just funny, man. Everyone kind of just bandwagons what everyone else says, bro. Think for yourself. Think for your freaking self. Don't be afraid to think for yourself, man. All right? I personally think that DXY is going to continue up. I don't see it continuing down right now, just because everyone all of a sudden thinks that, man. You know? It's crazy. The sentiment in this market can flip like this based off a 2% dump. All right? 3% pump. You know? It is what it is. Let's see. So, 31,325 would be hilarious if pencil necks are correct. True. Let's see. All right, so we're still watching BTC. It's really not doing much. We never get price action on stream. And you guys notice that Bitcoin never does anything on stream? It does stuff all day. It'll have wickaroos and dookadoos and chookachoos and wookawoos. But on stream, it doesn't do jack squat. All right? They about to print more? I hope they do. That would be good for our bags if they print more money, man. So let's find out. Psycho Pro wants Gala. We'll check out Gala in just a second, man. All right. Let's quickly go back into this, man. I mean, if we look at kind of where we are right now, I mean, guys, really nothing. If you look at total market cap, for example,
really nothing has changed. Like, we're still below the 20 EMA on the daily. So nothing really changed there in total market cap, if we're going to be honest. And to be honest, if you just look at this, we're really just range locked, right? I mean, really just going sideways right here on like the whole entirety of crypto, right? A couple little moves to the downside. But in reality, since May 11th, right, you're talking almost a month now, we're just ranging sideways. Not much has changed. We go up, we go down. But now price action is going to start getting restricted. Why? Because you're holding support, right? You're holding support here, but now you got your moving averages coming back down, right? You got your 50 EMA coming back down. You got your 20 EMA coming back down. Price is going to start getting restricted here. So, you know, at some point, we're going to have to get a move here. You can't just keep going sideways like this. You can't just keep going sideways. So, you know, as the 20 EMA comes down here, if we can get back over the 20 EMA in the daily, that could be the point where Bitcoin and alts get a little bit of relief rally. But we're still below that at the moment. Really not much has changed as far as the entirety of crypto. We're still just in a little bit of a crab sideways action at the current moment. Play the pump song? What are we playing the pump song for? Nothing pumped. Let's see. Nothing's changed. Why I'd say market's closed? It's not closed. It's not closed. It's 25 minutes. You guys know it's not closed. Come on, man. Come on, man. We got Bob coming in the chat.
Why does it say the market's closed? The market's not closed. Is the market closed today? Is there no daily close? On Jordan Streamer says close. Does time not exist? Wait, no. My head. Time doesn't exist. Time doesn't exist. Mom, I need my meatloaf now. I'm so confused. Shit.
No, but obviously there's a daily close. All right, there's a daily close. We know this, man. We know this. No, but if you guys are just coming in now, you know my general thought process, right? We're right at a point where we've gotten rejected so many times in the past, man. I mean, let's go back in time. When's the last time you actually got back above? You got back above the 200 EMA in the 4-hour and actually sustained it, right? The last time you did was all the way back on April 6th. So we're talking 2 months of being below the 200 EMA, right? And just coming up, rejection, right? Coming up, rejection. Coming up, rejection. Coming up, big fake out to the upside. We come back down to test it. Nope. Right? We come back up, can't even get to it. Come back up, can't even get to it. Come back up, can't even get to it. Right? We dump again. We come all the way back down here. Oh, we come back up and test it again. We come back up to it right now. So far, we're struggling with it. Now, this could break, but I'm going to go based off previous price action. And this is some big resistance right here, man. We got to see if this breaks out, right? We can't get too excited until this breaks to the upside, man. I know we want to get super, super excited, but for the past 2 months, this has been the point where Bitcoin just cannot get over that level, right? And this is short-term stuff. Like, as hodlers and long-term visionaries, right? I call us visionaries, man. I call us visionaries. You know why? We're like freaking Vikings out here, man. We are going out. We are conquering all the Satoshis that we can. And we're conquering, right? But right now, we can't get too excited until this breaks out, all right? We will break to the upside. We are mere Vikings in the chat. All the long-term holders. We do not care about short-term price action. We will pump all the way to the upside. And we will win all our DCAs. And all our DCAs will mean something. Yes, we do not care about short-term price action. We will take our goats back at 40K. We will take our goats back at 50K. We will take our goats back at 60K. And we will get new goats at 70K. New goats at 8K. New goats at 90K. And new goats at 100K. Us visionaries. It will take the land that is rightfully ours from these stupid bears like Savvy, like Jabba. Who you calling stupid, buddy? Who's been right? All right? Nothing has changed. We're in a bear market. Who you calling stupid, buddy? You're the stupid one. You should have been shorting for the last couple months, but no, you're an idiot bull and you just keep hodling. Bitcoin's going back to 6K. There's a clear Amazon fractal that is showing we're going back down to 6K, you idiot. All right? You just look at the fractal, man. Look at the fractal. There's a clear Elliott wave structure that's bringing us back down. All the way back down to 6K. All right? So do not call me an idiot. You are an idiot. All right? And I'm going to block you on Twitter if you try to do that one more time. All right? Jeez, man. Oh, look at my chat. They're defending me.
Well, go Savvy. Go Savvy. Woohoo! Savvy. Bears for life.
Oh, man. All right. Those poor, the poor 68K holders. I would argue this, man. You can say poor. Can I do a quick rant alert?
Rant alert.
You can say poor 68K holders. I will flip that script and say poor 3K short bottomers that never bought in the last bear market. So I can flip that around and say the same thing, man.
Rant alert.
Would I rather be a 60K holder or a 3K bottom shorter that did not even get it in the previous bear market for the last bull market? Because last I look, every altcoin is still up multiples. Bitcoin's still up multiples. Okay? So I'd rather be a bull that's wrong sometimes than a bear that's wrong sometimes. All right, guy in the chat? All right, guy in the chat?
Rant alert.
Come on, man. All right, let's go back to BTC. So, like I said, guys, I am in a short position. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want to join the Discord, I'm going to be getting up. I need to force myself to get up earlier, man. I do. So, tomorrow morning, all right, it'll probably be around, dude, I'm going to get up early. At 6, if you guys are morning dwellers, okay, for all my morning dwellers out there, my Euro guys, if you guys want to join our Discord, it's free, okay? It's free, no charge. I'm not going to charge you like some of these other guys out there that charge you to learn, symmetrical triangles and ascending triangles and stuff like that you could just learn on YouTube. If you guys want to go to Discord, listen, I'm trying to learn this stuff too. I'm going to be up early tomorrow, all right? And we're just going to talk in the Discord and look at like trade setups and stuff that you might be wanting to do for long-term buys and things of that nature, right? So 6:30 a.m. I'm going to be up. We're both going to be up, and we're going to do it, all right? What's going on, Dan? You're absolutely right, man. This is what happens when you don't have to clock in. You're true. You're very, very true. Let's see. Shuri said it's because we don't learn anything in Discord. I would argue that you did. How do you like the Warriors? I mean, they're at home, man. It's 1-1. It's 1-1. You can't get excited for winning a home game. You know what I'm saying? You get excited if you win a road game. All right. All you've done is win at home. You were expected to win at home, and you lost the game. All right. No, I just posted a link in the chat. You guys want to join? Link is in the chat. All right, let's do over here. Let's do this, guys. I haven't lost a trade yet. So you want to talk shit to me? I have not lost one trade yet. Now I'm not a genius. Don't get me wrong, but I have not lost a trade yet. Okay. And when I do lose a trade, I'll tell you. I'm telling you guys right now. I'm in a short. I will tell you guys all my trades as I do it. All right. I'm in a short right now. We'll see if it works out. We'll see if it doesn't work out. Let me get a link to the Discord. Like I said, it's free. Listen, I'm not a genius, but if you want to talk about stuff in the morning, just hang out. People want to talk about crypto, and you don't want to pay a certain amount to talk about crypto for no reason to learn symmetrical triangles. You can do it for free in my Discord. All right. So let me get over here. Let me generate a new link. Let me copy this. There we go. Let me post this over here. Bop. And bop. There we go. New link right there, man, as we kind of watch the price action. All you got to do is like the video, man. Like the video. I appreciate you guys for being here. I really, really do. As we just kind of hang out and watch charts, man. Bitcoin's not really doing much. I'm expecting to move to the downside, like I said. And no. It's going to be your first loss. We'll see, man. We'll see. Oh, Gala. I meant to check the Gala chart for Psycho. My bad, man. I meant to check the Gala chart for you a long time ago. All right, here we go. Gala. Let's see. Gala, Gala, Gala. So, oh, nice little move on Gala. Let's get a pump song going for Gala. AKA the short song, as Drew would say. The short song. Hey, here we go. East Coast and Europe is a 6-hour difference. Facts, man. Look at Gala go. Look at Gala go here, man. Over the 20 EMA. Let's see if you get the close above there, but not a shabby move. Not a shabby move, man. Let's get it. Let's freaking get it, man. What's going on, Nacho? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Let's see. All right, so yeah, nice move for Gala, man. Getting back over that 20 EMA was the big thing there. You haven't been over that since April 6th. 2 months, just like BTC. 2 months of getting back over an important moving average. So that's really good to see here. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, man, that's a nice setup, eh? And this is what I look for. If I'm looking at things to go higher, there's certain parameters that I want to see, right? I want to see you get back over the 50 EMA. I want to see you come back down, test the 50 EMA on whatever time frame you're looking for, right? This can work for any time frame. Really, I mean, you know, Ben Cowan talks about the 20 EMA, right? And just to give you guys an example, let's bring on Ben Cowan here. He's going to tell you about the importance of the 20 moving average. All right, hold on. Let me bring up here. No beard. Hold up. Let me bring on this. Thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today, guys, we're going to talk about the bull market support band and why we need to see Bitcoin get back over the bull market support band, back test the bull market support band before we can get too excited. Okay, so as you guys know, the bull market support band is the 20 simple moving average. Okay, and the 20 exponential moving average. Very, very important moving average. And typically, we get bullish when we get back over that and we come back down and back test it. Okay, so what we want to see is a move back above the bull market support band, a back test of the bull market support band, and that's when we can start getting excited about Bitcoin. Until we do that, well, this is just looking like a bear market rally, right? You know, it's simple as that. Until we can get back above the bull market support band, I can't get too excited, right? Bitcoin's going to continue obliterating altcoins. It is what it is. It is what it is. But that's really all I have. If you guys want to join the premium list, intothecryptoverse.com, guys. Intothecryptoverse.com for the premium list. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. That filter makes you look 10 years old. That's the point, man. That's the point. No, but Gala having a nice move. So we want to see parameters. I want to see a move back over. Yeah, don't schedule your Forbes interview yet either. If you schedule your Forbes interview, okay, then take it for what you will. Take it for what you will. Yeah, mods, don't ban. So we want to see the move back above the 50 EMA, right? A back test of the 50 EMA, and that's when you get that move to the upside. And that's good stuff. Now, just be wary on Gala. If you're looking at Gala right now and you want to FOMO in, don't be this guy, all right? You're right at resistance, all right? Just be careful with this one. Let's look left. Bada bing, bada boom. We got 1 resistance, 2 resistance, 3 resistance. Don't be FOMOing in at resistance after a big move to the upside where you're oversold on, you're overbought on every time frame. You have 3 vector candles, 3 hits, 1, 2, 3. Don't be FOMOing in. Doesn't mean it can't go higher, but you know, these are not the times to get in. Don't be the horse guy, okay? Don't be the guy who buy when the prices are going down. Don't FOMO, okay? Don't be this guy. Wow. Look at Gala. Look at Gala. Oh my God. George said he likes Gala. I'm about to FOMO in. 100x long. Yeah, I love the FOMO on Gala. Wow. It's right at resistance. That's the perfect time to buy. Yeah, I could have bought down here when no one else wanted to, but I'm going to buy now after a major move. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. I'm buying it now. George said to buy it. Yeah, buy it right now. I am George Raw. George. Guys, Gala is a great project. You want to get in now. Continue to DCA into Gala. It's such a good project, man. I'm just not talking about it because the price is going up right now. Gala is an awesome project, and I am really, really bullish on Gala, and I think you guys should definitely be accumulating Gala as we speak. George is bullish on Gala? You know what that means. Dump it.
What? No! No! George! You told me to formal! No! No!
Oh, man. All right. Get him back over here. So Galad's getting a nice move up. Just be careful. You're right at resistance, man. Don't be FOMOing, but you did get a nice move. If you get back over this, all right, you might be in business. You might be talking a little bit. But wait for a move back above these highs, man. Break above these highs. All right, maybe get a move up to the 200 EMA, which is at 9.7 cents. But wait for confirmation before you do that, because you are getting a vector candle to the upside, which usually means at some point you're going to come back down and fill it. Doesn't mean you can't continue higher first, but you're usually going to come back down to these levels, man. So continue to watch that. All right. All right. Where's the link? I got you, CC. Here you go, man. I got you on the link in the Discord right here. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. And this is better than SNL. Of course, man. Of course, man. This is the only stream that'll give you comedy and we'll talk about charts. What other stream does that? Other streams will talk about, you know, charts and symmetrical triangles and cup and handles and stuff. I can do that too. Those aren't hard to find. But, you know, we like to have fun here as well. So that's what we do. That's what we do. No! No! No one can do a better Italian accent than me. That's what I'm saying. Is the neighbor smacking her ceiling yet? Nope. She should be coming out relatively soon. It's about, it's almost 8 o'clock. Right around the daily close, she gets a little bit, I don't know if she's getting horny or she's getting a little mad. I don't know which one. Maybe she's horny. Maybe she's like, oh my God. Look at this guy yelling. I love when people yell. And maybe that's why she yells. Who knows? All right. Let's continue on. So we got the daily close coming up at 7:50. All right. It's 10 minutes. 10 minutes we got the daily close. I know in the top right it says close. Like I said, I'm working on a few stuff. You guys have been asking for new intro music. We're going to get new intro music starting tomorrow. Mashka's going to help me with that. And some other stuff. You guys want new pump music, some new dump music. We're going to get all that straightened out there. Immediately banned in the Discord. Oh, my God. Banned in the Discord. All right. Yeah, you guys shouldn't be banned anymore. We'll do it again. Enable to invite. I got you, Crypto Shock. I got you, man. All right, there's 3 more invites. You guys should be good there. But like I said, man, it's like, what was I saying? Well, I forget what I was saying, man. Yeah. Sorry, they thought it was an attack because like a bunch of you guys joined at once. So I apologize, guys. I apologize. I didn't mean to do that. You guys are all getting banned. All the mods. They don't mean to do it, man. They thought it was a bot attack. But, you know, the guys are all going in there like this. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Oh, my God. Our Discord is getting... TJ, can you take care of our Discord? It's getting absolutely botted right now. Ban them all. Ban them. Every single person that joins our Discord. Ban them right now. Ban them right now. Who cares if they're a bot? They're low IQ anyways. So they're probably bots anyways. Ban them all right now. But Bitcoin... But BitBoy, we can't ban all our viewers over Discord. That was our brand new idea. We're going to have no one in our Discord. They're all low IQ, right? That's what you say. They're all low IQ. Yeah. But we tell them they're part of the Bit Squad. So they think they're important, okay? Okay? They're part of the Bit Squad. Shh. Bit Squad, man. All right. It's all good fun, man. All good fun. Don't be getting salty. Can I say this? Anyone that I talk about on this channel is someone that I enjoy watching. So don't be getting salty if I talk about you. Because some people get salty, man. Some people get really, really salty. And it's like, dude, why are you getting salty? Hey, don't be getting salty, man. It's ridiculous. All right, let's see. Let's see. You still banned? All right, guys, I'll go through it later and I'll unban you guys, okay? I'll unban you guys. What's going on, Mike F? Good to see you, man. All right. So, you guys know my point. I'm short right now, and I am waiting for this, in my opinion, inevitable drop. Now, it could be wrong. But this is looking juicy. To me, this is looking pretty juicy, man. You got the 800 EMA as resistance. You got the 1 hit, the second hit. It's not a big second hit. You could have a little bit more movement up, but second hit. Now you're looking for the move to the downside off the 800 EMA. Vector candles galore below you. Don't quote the messenger, man. We'll see if we're down here tomorrow. Better be sweet and salty. True. We all banned. I'm banned. We're all banned. All right. Continuing on. What else we got? Inevitable drop. Let's see. What is this diamond pattern? It's a reversal pattern, man. Reversal pattern. I mean, you can look at it anyways. It's the same as right here, right? You get the slideways action. You get the big move to the upside, right? Big move to the upside or downside, right? And then you kind of stay in the triangle again. Price action contracts again, and then it's usually a reversal. So let's see what happens. Back to watch you on the big screen. There you go, Wesley. Nice, bro. Let's see. That's the Jaws mouth. Carl said he's going all in. No, he didn't. Please tell me Carl didn't say he's going all in today, right at resistance, man. Yeah. Please tell me Carl didn't say he's going all in right at resistance. I hope he's fine. I hope he goes okay, man. Hope he ends up okay. He did? No, he didn't. Please don't tell me that, man. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. Listen, could it work out? Yes. Based off probabilities, I'm not taking that. I ain't taking that trade. Based off probabilities. Based off what Bitcoin's done for the past 6 months, I'm not taking that probability. Could it work out? Sure. But we've seen every relief rally just get instantly sold off for Bitcoin the last 6 months. So, to me, I mean, you can do what you want to do. But that's the way I'm looking at the market at the moment. Until Bitcoin decides to do really anything besides get a little relief rally, this is what it is. JBH said, can we get a pump song for XCAD? Yeah, man. We can definitely look at XCAD. We'll look at some other alts too. Gala is still sitting right at resistance for everyone who asked that Gala. Let's go check out XCAD. XCAD. Let's see what's going on with XCAD, man. Pump song for XCAD. I'm going to play it just for you, just because you asked for the pump song, okay? It outperformed most alts the past few weeks, but gets no TA on YouTube. Yeah, it's a pretty nice move to the upside. I mean, set 174 to $4. It's not a bad move. All right, let's get it. I can barely see that bump. Listen, it's a zoom out. It's a pretty good move. Though. Like, considering if you bought down here, I mean, you're up pretty big. So, as always, don't be afraid. I mean, listen, until I see some good signs with Bitcoin, don't be afraid to pay yourselves with altcoins. Okay, if you get a 3x on an alt, don't be afraid to take some profits. That's all I'll say. Until I see some confidence with BTC, I'll say that. But that's a pretty nice move, man. Now let's see if we can continue up. Right, we still got some work to do. Really, if you look at this, I mean, you're really still below some key levels, right? You're back above all your moving averages on the daily. That's awesome. But you're really still below this level, man. You're still below your previous support. Flipped in resistance, flipped in resistance, flipped in resistance, flipped in resistance. You got to break this level first. Right, but so far so good. So far so good. People will say, "Oh, cup and handle." I don't see that just yet, but yeah, you got to get back over this level first. To me, I mean, it's a typical setup that I do like is when you back over that 50 EMA after bottoming out, right? You can back test the 50 EMA and you get the reversal to the upside. It's typically what I like to see. Now you need to break above that resistance, and I mean, you could be seeing much higher levels there if that can break there. But that's typically the setup I want to see for continuation to the upside. Break back above the 50, back test the 50, and a continuation ultimately, right? Why people still talk about Luna? I don't think anyone's talking about Luna anymore, man. I don't see that. Let's see. Cup and handle is stupid. You can find it anywhere you like. I kind of agree. I won't say I disagree on that. What's my exit? 50 EMA. I will take. I will definitely take. I'm not probably full of it. I'll probably take 50% off the board at the 50 EMA and let 50% ride after that. And I'll move my stop loss back down into profit. So basically, I'll move my stop loss back into profit if it does come back down here, and then take about 50% off at the 50 EMA on the hourly, and then let the less ride to possibly back down to this range. Basically what I'd probably be doing. It could all change, right? It all changes based off what happens, but that's pretty much what I'm looking at the moment. Daily closing coming. We got the daily closing coming, man. Let's get it. Daily close, baby. That's what we wait for on this channel. The daily close. We got 1 minute to the daily close. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. Are you live from the sidewalk? Facts. You probably hear everyone outside. It's just Java outside. You guys might hear a lot of noise. It's just Java. All right, daily close. There it is. There it is, baby. 31,373. It's just Java outside, man. He's just walking. You might hear that. You might hear outside. You might think it's street cleaning. It's just Java rubbing his fat against the floor. Well, do I want to take my Ferrari or Lambo today? Let me walk over here and check out my Lambo. No, I don't want to take this one. Wow, I'm taking the Ferrari. All right, I don't know if you guys can even hear that sound. That's Java street cleaning. Slime trail. The slime trail. That's funny, man. That's funny. All right, so daily close. Bitcoin closed at about 31,364. Guys, I hate when Java's happy. Like, I can't wait till we wreck Java and just liquidate everything he has, where he has no shoes anymore again. But we closed at 31,391. So, I mean, we're still below resistance, but at the end of the day, I mean, you'll take a green day where you can get it. At the end of the day, nothing's changed, right? Nothing has changed, right, Savvy?
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed, man? Yeah, man, nothing has changed. We're still going back down to 6K. It's still clearly the Amazon fractal, okay? His head, look at his forehead. It's so big. With the hat on. Look at the forehead. That's a serious forehead. I wonder what Savvy's hair actually looks like under his hat. You guys ever wonder what Savvy's hair looks like under his hat? I want to ask him. Can someone ask him in the chat? Because I think I'm banned from his chat and on Twitter for no reason. I wasn't talking shit or anything to him. He just wanted to ban me. Can someone ask Savvy what's under his hat? Like, I'm just generally curious. Listen, I'm probably going to be bald on January 1st, so I'm not judging. But you know, we're also in a bear market, so I'll probably be bored. Bored and bored is the right word too. Bored and bald within the next few months too. You know what I'm saying? That's how street cleaners work. All right, 31,292. All right, so can we get that move to the downside? Let's see initially if we can continue down a little here. Let's see if we can get a bounce off the 20 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. That's the first level I'm watching. All right, so let's see if we can mosey our way back down there very, very slowly. And I know Bob right now is craving that ketchup. That ketchup's looking to come back down and be caught in the mouth, man. It's looking to be caught in the mouth. I can already see the ketchup dripping. Bob's looking at the ketchup. He wants to see that ketchup dripping. Who wants to see Bob catch the ketchup in his mouth? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat, man. All right. You guys excited, man? You guys excited? I don't think we have that much longer to go as far as downside action and as far as the prices being this low. I don't think we have that much longer, man. I think at the most, a few more months, and that gets me super, super excited, man. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. I take it one day at a time, but that's all I'll say, man. I got good positivity to what's to come after a couple of different reasons. Right? We are the 200 EMA 200 moving average is moving up every single week. Now it's at 22,300. It's going to keep moving up every single week. That's where I think the bottom is. You got congressmen buying freaking Microsoft and Apple when they got the inside info. Let's be honest, okay? Everyone's talking about the reversal on the rate hikes, right? They're going to back off. I don't see that right now, but possibly printing more money in Q4, Q1, Q4 2022, Q1 of 2023. You got all these possible positive things coming out. I'm excited, man. So I will say, yes, maybe I'm bearish short term, but every single time Bitcoin goes back below 30K, I'm adding to my spot holds, man. I'm not in this to short Bitcoin for the long term, man. I'm not freaking savvy. I'm not freaking Java out here, all right? I'm so excited for what's to freaking come, man. And that's why, quite honestly, I've been telling you guys, if every time Bitcoin goes low, I don't freaking care, man. I don't freaking care. If anything, that's going to make me more money whenever the price goes back up. So continue to keep your eye on the price. Stay positive about the price action. It's all good. All right, whatever happens here in the short term, I just want to be honest with you guys. What I see in the chart short term, okay? Let's be honest. Let's keep it real. I know everyone doesn't like to keep it real, right? There's a lot of people who don't like to keep it real, all right? Let's keep it real. Every single time Bitcoin has had a rally since November last year, it's been instantly sold off. Let's keep it real, man. Let's not BS. Let's not bullshit here. All right? That's the simple reality. So for me, I wanted to start taking advantage of that. Now, at some point, it's not going to work. Guess what? Awesome. It didn't work. I got stopped out on my shore, and now Bitcoin's going back to the upside. It's a win-win. Come on, man. Let's be honest. But all these dumps will make you more money as the price goes back up to the upside, man. So make sure you guys are taking advantage when it comes back down here, man. I don't think it's going to be that much longer. And just my personal opinion, once again, you guys do your own research. But it is what it is. Bear market vibes. Nice. You're Georging it? I'm not Georging it, man. Hey, listen. As much as we make fun of George, right? He's right. He's right. And guess what? George will make more money than probably 99% of you guys in the chat. Why? Because he DCAs and he freaking hodls through bearish times. Yeah, we knock him, right? Because sometimes it's okay to admit it's a bear market, right? But at the end of the day, listen, probably money-wise and percentage-wise, he's going to outperform 99% of you guys in the chat. Just simply because he held and he DCA'd during the bad times. I'm serious. You guys might think I'm joking. I'm not. I'm serious. Let's see. Sometimes keeping it real goes wrong. Let's see. Jordan nervous with his short profits? I'm not nervous, man. If I was nervous, I wouldn't still have it open when I was going to stream. If I was nervous, I would have already closed it before the stream started. Because guess what? I can't touch it when I'm streaming for 2 hours, right? So if I was nervous, I would have closed it before the stream started. You know what I'm saying? Sayan said, you're going to be so wrong. You already have been wrong. Where were you in 2018, 2019, and 2020, buddy? Where were you? Where were you, man? I haven't been wrong. Trust me. You're momming it? Let's see. Agree? Thank you, John. Thank you, John. I'm ranting right now, man. Let's see. Not leave crypto? There you go. There you go, man. Let's see. Let's see. Why only 2 more months? Usually it takes 8 months or so from bottom to bull run to start. Yeah, but I'm not saying bull run, man. I'm not saying bull run. Bitcoin can have rallies in the middle of a bullish, a middle of a sideways action, right? Bitcoin can have rallies. Let's go back in the past and look, right? Let's go back in the past and look. 2018, right? You had rallies, right? You had the bear market dump. Guess what? Bitcoin went up and had a 5x in the middle of a bear market, right? I'm not going to say that's going to happen right now. I don't think Bitcoin's going 150K, right, during a bear market, but you get the point, right? You can have rallies in the middle of a bear market. Let's go back to, say, 2014, right? It's the same type of thing. You can have mini rallies, right? This dump back down, you went back up about 90%, right? What's a 90% move now? I mean, that's almost back up to 60K, right? Right about 55K. So you know, I guess when I say, you know, it's not that much longer at the bottom, I don't mean it's going to go into a bull market, okay? But you can still have solid rallies where you can still make a lot of money in the meantime, right? Right? I mean, you can literally, like, I know a lot of people, you know, when people say the bottom, they think, you know, this is what people think when someone says the bottom, right? This is what people think. Let's be honest. This is what most people think. They're going to come in and they're going to say this. Oh my God, Jordan said the bottom's almost in. Jordan thinks we're going into a bull market in the next couple of weeks. What an idiot. Jordan said bull market starts. He said the bottom's almost in. Oh my God. I might do it 100x long because Jordan said the bottom was in. What an idiot. The bull market doesn't start till after the halving. Oh my God. Right? That's what most people think. Right? But no, it doesn't mean they're going into a bull market, man. You can have rallies in between. You can stay there for months. You can stay there for months. Doesn't mean you're just going to bottom out and you're going to go straight up to a bull market. No, that's not what it means. That's not what it means. What's going on, Aaron? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, bro. I will be back full power, but the grind needs to be real for a bit to get back that influence. There you go, Blaze. That's what I'm talking about, man. Whoa, $20 super chat from Aaron. What's going on, Aaron? Good to see you, brother. Thanks for coming in, hanging out, and just chilling, bro. Just chilling, man. Thanks for just chilling. I'm considering trading instead of hodling for next DCA bull run. I will say if you can. What I'll say is this, man. I mean, you got to. The trend is your friend to the end. Any person will tell you the trend is your friend to the end. So if Bitcoin's in a continuous downtrend for 6 months, right? I'll say take advantage of it, man. It'll work until it doesn't. That's why you use stop losses. You know what I'm saying? Don't do 100x leverage and use freaking stop losses. So when you lose, guess what? You still got your hodl bags and it's going up, and you lost very minimal amount, probably 1% of whatever you're trading with, probably less than that if you do get stopped out, right? Okay, what's 1% if Bitcoin's going to go into a rally? I'll take the hedge with the short. 1%, you lose 1% if it goes back up, and you go into a bull market. Okay, what's that? All right. What's the opposite coin of the flip? You just hodl and you don't make any money when Bitcoin goes down? Right? Think about it. Think about it logically. People like to I used to like to hate on it too, and I'm willing to admit my mistakes. Right? I'm willing to admit my mistakes. If you can find a winning strategy, you should do it, right? But only if you have a winning strategy. Most people don't. Most people don't, because people don't take the time to learn stuff. They just want to jump right in and go, oh my God, symmetrical triangle, break out to the upside. Oh my God, we're going up. No, that's Carl the Moon stuff, man. That stuff's not going to work. Might work once or twice, but consistently that stuff's not going to work. Let's see. Exactly, Dan. Good point, my friend. Good point, my friend. Let's see. Let's see. You admit mistakes? Oh, absolutely, man. What mistake have I never admitted? I've always made mistakes, man. Let's see. I'm nuts flushing alts. Hey, man. Listen. If you're holding the right altcoins, right? It is what it is. Right? It's why you invest money you can afford to lose, man. It's crypto. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for sticking up for facts. Thank you, man. I mean, it's something a lot of people don't want to hear, right? I used to not like that either, so I get it. I get it. A lot of people don't like to hear what I like to say, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'll keep making money shorting, and it is what it is. Whoa, Naked. We got Naked HD Fun in the chat. Nice. Naked HD Fun. Naked HD Fun. Here he comes. Oh no, Bob. Oh no, Bob.
on the link. Wow, this is naked HD fun. Take this Dino, Jordan. I'll show you a green Dino. Wow.
Oh, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's the link that comes in the chat, man. It's that friggin' link, the naked HD fun. They always come in here. All right. All right, 21,232. All right, so Bitcoin's coming back down, trying to test the 20 EMA. All right, trying to test the 20 EMA. So looks like it's breaking. Let's say it's gonna break on a close though, right? We can't get too excited here. Can't get too excited. Let's go to the 15 minute. Oh yeah, I love the 15 minutes. Oh yeah, feed me, feed me, feed me that short. Wow, Jordan came to the downside. It's my turn. So dumb, man. Oh God, I have such a childish mind. I really do. I really do. That's why I think I love myself, because like a lot of people be like, "Oh my God." Grow up, man. You thinking that I'm gonna move on. I'm not gonna get you thinking that it's weird means that you're weird. Okay, come on, man. Beaky said, "Jordan, stop! You're scaring me." It's not me, man. It's Bob and Java. I'm not doing that. All right, here comes BTC. Feed me that short. Now let's see what happens here. I'm not getting excited yet. Let's see. 15 minute is great for trading. Yeah, 15. Actually, the 15 minute is my favorite time frame to trade during the day. 15 minute gives you a good balance, right? It's not a freaking like 1 minute chart, and it's not like 1 hour where it can take so long to play out. It's a good little balance. 15 minute chart. I gotta go. Jordan is scaring me today. It's not me, man. Sponsored by Spank Chain. All right. Sponsored by Spank Chain. Listen, Spank Chain, I'm telling you, at some point it's going to moon. At some point. Now, if regulation comes in, oh, that shit's going to zero. But, you know, I'm telling you, at some point it's going to moon. Not financial advice. You guys do what you want to do. All right. You're weird for not being as weird as me. It's true. It's true. We live in a very weird world today, man. We live in a weird world where it's like, think about the world we live in right now, guys. We live in a world where everyone wants to be able to do anything, right? You want to be anything, do anything, like be able to do anything. But as soon as you try to say something that's offensive, right? That might be different yourself, you get canceled. You can't say that. But everyone wants to be different, right? But you can't say anything different that's not outside the norm, right? That's the sad reality of the world we live in today. That's why I will say, I will stick up for my opinions. I don't care if people disagree with me. I'll stick up for my opinions. I'm not going to back down on my opinion. If I think I'm right, I'm going to say it. And if I believe in something, I'm going to say it. I'm not going to be a pussy and just be like, oh my God, I can't say that. Sometimes I'll do that. It depends on the subject. But I will say what I think. We live in a society. True. I can't wait to be back, man. Keep going, Blaze. You can say anything you want. You can. But here's the thing. You can say anything you want, but there's repercussions of what you say. So basically, you can't say anything you want. Defeats the whole purpose of freedom of speech. Know what I'm saying? Yes, we have freedom of speech, but if you do this, you get fired. If you do this, I'm not friends with you. If you do this, I'm unfriending you from Facebook. All right? Let's be honest. You're getting banned from Instagram if you say this. You're getting banned from Facebook if you're saying this. Ah, man. It's a clown world we live in today. Man, clown world we live in today. Absolute clown world. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm a clown, so I understand. Yes. I'll stick up for your opinions. For my onions, man? Stick up for my onions. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Sergio. Yeah, I get it, man. I get it. It is what it is, man. All right. I walk alone. Get banned for joining a Discord. Facts, B-Water. Facts, man. You got banned a long time ago for a different reason, but we won't talk about that. All right, let me take a sip. It's delicious. If you guys could please smack up that like button. And listen, here's what I'll say. I know so many of you guys watch every single day. The best way you can help me out is to just hit the like button. If I give you some entertainment, listen, I'll tell you this, man. You guys might think it's right. You guys might say, "Oh, it's so easy to get up there and just talk." Listen, here's what I'll say, man. To have energy, to come up here with energy every single day. All right, I could come up here and be like, oh, blah, 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 every single day. To come up here every single day with energy is not as easy as you guys think. Try to do it every single day for 2 hours and let me know how easy it is. All right. Not saying what I'm doing is hard, but I'm saying if you guys appreciate, me trying to give you some entertainment every single day, press that like button. That's all I'll say, man. Appreciate you guys for being here too. All right. 31-192. All right. So we're still in the diamond pattern, right? I know you guys don't like the diamond pattern. It's bearish. You got Mike coming in here. There's no volume. Listen to Jordan. There's no freaking volume on Bitcoin. This is another fake rally. And all you guys are falling for it. Look at Bitcoin's dumping right now. Jordan tried to tell you to short. Did you? No, you believed in the other fake rally. Again. Jordan's trying to tell you. My voice cracked. My voice cracked, man. Oh, man. Let's see. All right, so 31,155. Let's see what happens. Appreciate it, man. What's going on, Jason? Good to see you, man. Hit the like button, but I didn't want to. Thank you, Panic Seller. I know you're just trolling me, man. I know you're trolling me. Look at the diamond pattern, man. Come on. If this bounces right here, come on, man. Let's see. Let's sit back. If it dumps, it already played out. Let's see real quick. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Ah, man. Look at that. We got a vector candle popping up. 2 vector candles popping up on the 15-minute. Let's see what happens here. Oh, man. Man. I'm fucking with you. It's a vector, so it'll come back up, maybe. It's going to come back up to this range now. It's going to come back up to this range. Because here's the thing, man. It's literally... Let's see. Dump time. There it is. Come on, man. Dump. Feed my shore, baby. I'm not going to get too cocky yet. We got this wick down here. Let's see if we bounce right here, man. You got this wick? Right here. You can't even be boring when you try to be boring. I try. 31. Let's see if we bounce here, man. You should have some support right here. Initially. If Bitcoin breaks that, though. Oh, we got the Bart Simpson pattern, man. We got the Bart Simpson pattern again. Oh, hey, Bart Simpson. Bro, there it is, man. Feed my shore, baby. Ah! Come on, man. Don't lose. All right. Let's get it, man. Short the bear market rallies. God damn. All right. Let's go back over here. No, but right to the 200 EMA. So let's see if we get support here. So let's go. All right, let's go back over here. Boom. Is he fapping to it or should he? That's Java. You don't want to know what Java's doing right now, man. Savvy, come here. Come here, look what's happening. I don't even need you, Melissa. I have a red candle in front of me. Come on, Savvy. Man, I can't do it. It won't go up. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. It won't go up. Oh, shit, man. That's too good, man. All right. Oh, Lord. Bitcoin's dumping still. Go, baby. Come on, man. Still not. Too much? No, it's not too much, Waterfly. Come on, man. You know what we used to be so much weirder on the stream, okay? If you guys been watching me for extended period of time, we used to be so much weirder on here, right? I've actually kind of PG'd the stream a little bit. If you guys probably haven't noticed over time, don't be getting offended, man. This stream used to be a lot worse. A lot worse, let me tell you. All right. You guys know that the Bob days when we used to go like this. Where is he? Where is he? Small waist, pretty face, but a big bank. You guys know that. The stupid meme that they were all doing back then. All right, 30,663. Let's see what happens. Come on, man. All right, Bitcoin's dumping. Let me know if you're in a short. Are you in a short position, long position? What are you guys in? Once again, man, I will tell you guys this again, okay? For all the long-term holders out there. Once again, Bitcoin's getting closer to 30K. You're gonna, I don't know if it's gonna bounce here or not, but you're getting another chance at close to 30K. So, I mean, you guys do what you want to do. You guys do what you want to do, man. All right? I'm telling you this. My strategy right now is shorting every single rally until it doesn't work and I get stopped out of one of them. It is what it is. I'll lose like 1%. Bitcoin goes up, doesn't matter. And buying whenever we're below 30K. That's my strategy right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Take some profits and lower your stop loss live on stream. I can't, man. I have to use a VPN. Because here's the thing, man. I'm in New York. Guess what you can't use in New York? Well, I don't know if I should be saying this on stream. But the exchanges, I can't use them in New York, man. No. Shh. We're not in America. We're in Netherlands. Let's see. Changing gains. All right, we're bouncing. Let's see. Originally, I thought like, all right, maybe you just come back down and take this wick. I actually didn't think it was going to dump like this. I actually thought, to be fair, it was going to come back down, bounce here, come back up again, kind of ride this for a little bit, and then dump. But Bitcoin decided to just dump from there. So, to be fair, that's kind of not what I was expecting price action-wise. But there you go. We'll take it, I guess. We'll take it. Let's see. Live from Portugal. Nice. No fun allowed. True. Is Ethereum going to $1,000? I don't think it. I mean, Ethereum's previous all-time high was what? It was freaking. It was 1465, right? I don't know, man. I personally don't see ETH breaking the previous all-time high. Not because it can't, just because there's no really reasoning for it. I just think people will think the same thing and be like, all right, we're gonna buy Ethereum's previous all-time high because Bitcoin's never been below, so maybe Ethereum never goes below, right? Stupid thinking, but that's my general thought process there. Actually, go to the daily time frame. I was like, why can I not see the previous all-time high? Oh, because you're on the 1 hour time frame. That makes sense. Let's go over here. 1459. I personally, to me, that's kind of level I'm watching for. Bitcoin goes down to the 200 week, which is about 22,300. That's where I see ETH going, about 1459. Right about right there. Like you said, anytime Bitcoin's below 30K, though, I'm picking up ETH too. No matter what ETH price is. Ethereum Classic. I can't say ETH. I can't say Ethereum Classic. Ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous, man. Ban me, Jordan? Drew, I will never ban you, man. Drew, you could say anything to me. There's only certain people in the chat that can say anything to me, and I'll never ban them, okay? I will name them right now, okay? And don't, actually, I shouldn't do this because people get offended because I don't name them. I'll say this. I will never ban Dan. I will never ban Drew. I will never ban Clint. I will never ban Waterfly. I will never ban Creighton. I will never ban John. I will ban Maya. I will, listen, I'll never ban Skillful. I'll never ban CH. I haven't seen CH in a while. Where the hell is CH? Yeah, man. Listen, I'm just naming people I see in the chat here. A lot of the homies here. I will never ban Fahid. I'll never ban Fahid. Slothback. Listen, I can't say all you guys, okay? You guys are all offended now. I've never banned anyone on my channel. For like me, myself, I've never banned anyone on my channel. I never will. Banning is stupid, man. Banning is freaking stupid, bro. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Bitcoin's continuing down. Nice joke. That's it. I'm offended. Miller, I would never ban you, man. Actually, I would never ban anyone, to be fair. I don't like to ban people. Guess what? Because you know why? I'm a troll. So I understand trolling. Like, I understand the art of trolling. So trolling, if you're a good troll, I might reply to you, right? But I understand trolling, so I'm not going to ban a troll, you know? I would rather ban I don't want to ban. I've never banned anyone. Do me a favor. I tell the mods not to ban anyone either. If they do, it's probably because you're pissing them off. You know what I'm saying? I'm super offended. There's nothing I can do to get... Oh, Mike. I definitely never banned Mike, man. Mike is the homie, man. Mike even likes the vector candles now, Mike. Mike, admit in the chat that you respect the vector candles. Because now Mike has been learning, and now he likes the vector candles. Tell him they work, Mike. Come on, bro. I'm not lying, man. You guys have been watching the stream the last 2 weeks. I've been way more accurate than I was before. Okay? Once again, I'm still not a pro. Right? But I'm learning, man. I'm taking the time to learn. Because the market's boring right now. So it's the time to learn this stuff. You know what I'm saying? All right. 30,639. Let's see, man. So we're coming up on the... Man, I probably would have took some profits. If it wasn't on stream, I probably would have taken some profit at the 200 EMA there. But I'm on stream, so unfortunately, that's not the case. So I'm stuck at the trade until I get off stream, which is fine to me. It is what it is. I'm feeling comfortable right now. I don't think it's just going to bounce back up. If it does, well, I deserve to lose it. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to bounce back up. Let's see. Goddamn vector analysis makes me sleep. You know what, Clint? You know what doesn't make you sleep? Hold on. You know what doesn't make you sleep, Clint? Clint, you're a moon boy like me. You want to get some dinner? We can sniff each other. Yeah, we don't like vector candles. Yeah, we're always... Yeah, Clint, did you just long that breakout like me? Did you watch Carl the Moon? Carl the Moon went all in.
He was drawing a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, a symmetrical triangle. Yeah. So you get Clint. All right. Let's see. Clint, you know I love you, man. The fact that I shit on Clint means that I love Clint. You know what I mean? I take the time. I take like 10 minutes out of the stream every day to make fun of Clint. All right. 30,529. Let's see. Jordan has me in the cage. Waterfly, I would never have you in the cage, man. The only people I have in the cage is literally the only people that I had in the cage. You don't want to go to dinner with them, Clint? Oh, look at Bitcoin go! Let's go, baby! Ah! I want to get off so I can clip myself. Guys, that's why I tell you not to listen to Call of the Moon, man. He went all in, right at the top, again. Come on, man. Carl does not make money trading, okay? I'm not saying I do either. Carl does not make money trading, okay? Don't listen to his trades. All right. So 30,478. We're moving back down. Let's see. Dumb song is nothing holy anymore. That's it. That's the bear market vibes. You play the pump song when you're dumping. Guys, what you need to do, honestly, there in these times, the move is this. This is honestly the move. Invert the scale, right? So these are pumps. These are dumps. Honestly, I mean, this is the way to go. There in these times, man. Look at the chart like this. You're in a bull market, man. Bull market. There we go. Seriously. All right, let me get rid of that. There we go. Go take some profits. Nah, man, I'm having fun. This price action, man. I would rather lose a couple profits and have fun. I'm being honest. I'm being perfectly honest with that, man. I'd rather sit up here, lose a little profits, and have some fun. You know what I'm saying? Get the app on your phone. True. I could get the app on my phone. Looks due for a pullback. I mean, yeah, you got 3 hits to the downside, right? You got 3 vector candles. 1, 2, 3 hits to the downside. After the 3 hits, right? I mean, I usually look for a bounce off a moving average, and you're not. I guess I'm looking for this range right here. There's a reason why I'm looking for this range. If we go to the hourly time frame, right? You got this blue vector down here. I'm looking for the 200 EMA right there, right? So I'm looking at 30,300 at this point. 30,300. That's. This could come all the way back down to here, right? All the way back down to 29,900. All the way back down to the bottom of this range, you know? So somewhere in this green box, I'm looking for support. I know it's broad, but I'm not looking for perfect. Here's the thing, man. A lot of people, when they trade, they look for like the perfect spots. I'm just looking for this range, man. So if I get off and we're in this range, I'm taking profits, right? Simple as that. Somewhere in this freaking range at the end of the day. At the end of the freaking day. But the diamond pattern comes out again and strikes like a cobra. Whenever you get vector candles looking left, they're going to come back down or up to that range, man. I know you guys don't like that, but it is what it is. All right. So Bitcoin's still coming down, 40,460. Let's see. Blue vectors are stopping volume. Thank you, Drew. Drew, you can still teach me some things, man. Let's see. You're still getting them now. Gala dumping now? I'm sure it is, man. I mean, I'm sure everything's dumping. ETH is probably coming down. Let's check out ETH. ETH on the daily coming down to the lows. Not quite. I mean, you have a little bit way to go. Right? 1702 coming back down to the lows. Kindly, can you chart areas of value for Bitcoin? Thank you again, Dan. And then Prolific, areas of value. Short term, I'm looking for this trend line coming down. Right? You got this trend line. You got bot. So, I mean, this has been a support level all the way back up here. So, I'm looking for the 50 EMA on the short term, right? Looking at
Looking at 30,300, right? The level we just talked about, 30,300. And then this upward sloping support line, which, you know, depending on where it hits, is closer to like 30K, right? So, listen, 30K in theory is, you know, psychological support, whatever you want to call it. And you have upward sloping support too. So 30K. And I guess anywhere below 30K is value to me, right? And I know that's broad, but anywhere below 30K is value to me for a long-term hold, right? People will disagree, right? Wait for the bottom, but that's not what I'm looking at for long-term holds, bro. You know what I'm saying? Anywhere below 30K. Closer to the 200 moving average, a little bit better, but I'm not going to be too picky. I'm not going to be too picky. And I think we're relatively close to the bottom, like I've been saying. I might be bearish short term sometimes, but I think we're relatively close to the bottom. And listen, maybe Bitcoin bottoms out in this range, which I do think it will. I think Bitcoin bottoms out in this range, something like this. But you know, we could be going sideways for a while in this range. You know, I know a lot of people like they think we hit the bottom, we're going to the moon, right? It could just be something like this. We come down, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. We go sideways, maybe we come up, and we come back down again, blah blah blah. Could be sideways for a while until we get something positive. But that's just the way I'm looking at the market right now, man. I'm taking it level by level. I think people try to predict too far ahead. And you should just be taking it level by level by level by level. Everyone's trying to think, oh, we're going to have, you know, like right now, for instance, or yesterday, right? We were getting the move up. Everyone's like, oh, we're going to have a move up to 42K. That's thinking way too far ahead, man. You got to take it level by level by level. You know, you can't just go, oh, it's at 32K. Oh, we're going to 42K, right? That's looking way too far ahead. Same thing to the downside, right? Yes. Do I think maybe it comes back down here? Maybe, but I'm taking it level by level. I'm not going to call for 25K right now. I'm going to wait till we get confirmation of a move, man. You know, people try to predict way too far ahead into the future. And that's, you know, I think that's the shortcoming of a lot of things. But yes, embrace the crab. I agree, man. I agree. DCA under 30K. You got it, man. That's what I'm doing. Jordan, close your position. You guys want me to get off? I don't want to get off. You're finally having price action on the stream. You know what I'm saying? Crab. Dude, snakes freak me out. Why do snakes freak you out, bro? All right, so once again, man, if you're just coming to the stream now, we got the Bart formation. We all love Bart. We love the Bart Simpson. Classic Bitcoin pattern that's been playing out every single time. Bop. Bop, right to the downside right here. Let's continue over. Let's go check out some more Bart Simpsons. We had a little one right here. Bop. We had one right here. Bop. Look at that Bart Simpson. Look at this Bart Simpson. Bop. We can just keep going. Let's keep going. Bop. Let's keep going. Bop. What else we got? Bop. What else we got? Bop. Bop. The whole way up, man. Bart Simpson, Bart Simpson, Bart Simpson. Let's go back up here. Let's have some fun, shall we? Bop. Let's keep going. What else we got? Bop. You got to respect it until it doesn't work, man. You got to respect it until it doesn't work. You know? Here's what it is. All right, let's go back over here. Bop. There we go. Let's bring it back down. Every single day, every time I pray. TP, but don't close. Move, stop loss, and profit. Let that short ride. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing, Bewater. I'm going to move the stop loss into profit. I'll probably take 50% off the board and let the rest ride. There we go. Win-win. Win-win. We're good to go. It's probably what I'm going to do once I get off, man. It's going to be relatively shortly, too. I think Bitcoin's going to bounce from this 200 EMA, so I'll probably be hopping off. Oh, man, it's tough to get off when the price action's dumping, man, because price action is fun to stream when there's price action, but at the same time when you have positions open. That's why I need to get the app on my phone, man. I need to get the damn app on my phone. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Stream canceled for copyright violation. Stop calling my dog Bop. Juicy. We finished a reverse Bart before this pump. Yeah, and the reverse Bart too. The reverse Bart and the regular Bop. All right. What else we got? What else we got? Anything else? Man. 1702. I think ETH is coming back down. Let me actually check ETH on the 4-hour time frame. You'd be upset if a whale bought a lot of BTC. Facts. Facts, man. I probably should get off relatively soon here. Yeah, ETH is breaking. I guess maybe you got a little bit of support here. Short-term support level, right? 1, 2, 3. Short-term support level on ETH. So we'll continue to watch that in Ethereum, but you're trying to hold that in ETH at the moment. All coins are going to all look relatively the same, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, there it is, the 200 EMA. Let's see if Bitcoin breaks this. Hey, maybe staying on's working out for me, man. I'll say it's distracting me. Let's see. That chart looks clownish. 800 EMA. All right, guys, I'm going to get off because I want to go take profits, man. I mean, this is a pretty big move. I'm going to go take profits. We'll be on tomorrow morning, guys. I'm going to be on the computer at 6:30 tomorrow, okay? I'm going to be on the computer, ready to go at 6:30. We're going to talk trades, right? It's free. I'm not going to be charging you for cup and handles like some other people. It's going to be free. We're going to talk trades. I'm going to learn from you guys. You guys maybe learn something from me. I don't know. Like I said, I'm still learning too. It'll be a learning experience. If you guys want to hang out in Discord, I'll be in there from 6:30 until we stream in the morning tomorrow, right? We're going in, and we're going in hard. We're going to have a lot of fun. So if you want to join the Discord, once again, links in the description. It's free, right? It's free, it's free, it's free. All right? Here we go. It's free. All right, there's the link in the description. Mods, don't ban. It's not bots. It's not bots. All right, get you guys in the morning, right? We'll talk some more stuff in the morning. Once again, I think Bitcoin's going to bounce from this area right here, from about 29,900 up to about 30,300. Somewhere in this range, Bitcoin's going to get a bounce, right? So be vigilant if you're in a short. Look for some take profit areas in this level, all right? Bitcoin's bouncing. I'm getting off. All right, peace, guys. Don't do anything I would do. Don't panic, sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic, sell yo crypto, all right? Later, guys. See you in the morning. Peace.